everyone, today we're starting some basil seeds. So as you know, with basil it can be very hard to start from seed, kind of expensive to buy the plants at the store. So we're going to try a trick here just to try and help the seeds get a jump start. So I put my basil seeds in a cup, and then I'm just going to add some water here. Alright, so you don't need a lot, but just enough to cover them. I probably put too much in there. But we're going to go ahead and soak these for an hour. You can do up to 12 hours, and then put them in a damp paper towel. And again, you can leave them in the paper towel until they're completely sprouted, or you can just do the quick soak for an hour, followed by the paper towel for a day, just to get them started, and then put them in the ground, and they should take off better. It's hard to keep constant moisture for your seeds, so that's why it's a benefit to pre-soak them. You don't have to if you have ideal soil conditions. We have heavy clays in our area, and they just don't start very well unless we have constant rain, because we can't seem to keep up with the watering, because the clay forms a hard crust, making it hard for those seedlings to pop through. So we're giving these a head start. We'll check back when we transfer them to our pigs. These are my basil seeds after a little over an hour. I feel like you can see they're kind of fuzzy looking already. So I'm just going to use a paper towel to strain this out and dump it out, holding tight against the bottom. That way you can get all of the water out and dampen your paper towel at the same time. I didn't have any seeds stick, but if they do, just gently take them out of the cup. So just smooth those out just a little bit. Then I'm going to go ahead and fold this over. You just want a damp towel, and then we will put this in a Ziploc bag here. Just have a Ziploc bag. We'll put that in there for another 24 hours before planting. Alternatively, you can wait until they've actually sprouted if you so choose. However, you'll have to be very careful when transplanting then. Make sure the root is down. But again, that's just what it'll look like. And then tomorrow, gently place into your pot or into the ground, and try and keep the ground evenly moist at that time as well, just to make sure these germinate. Hopefully that helps you with your basil.